Welcome back, everybody. Spring break, I can't believe it, is right around the corner, and the Science Mill in Johnson City is celebrating with a 2-week STEAM-focused affair. Here to tell us more about this year's offerings is Strategic Project Specialist Maddie Clendening. Maddie, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. I'm happy to have you here. We love the Science Mill, and I think it's so important to have such a cool science museum a little bit farther out, more accessible for maybe those folks who don't live right here in Austin.
Yes,
so
for
can
sure.
you do us a little reminder about what it is y'all do?
Yeah, for sure. So the Science Mill is in Johnson City. It's about an hour away from Austin, so just a great day trip. And we have tons of hands-on exhibits for families and their children to come and really explore science and art through our many exhibits.
Mm-hmm. And one of your jobs specifically is to go out into more rural areas and to kind of engage with kids because they may not be close to a really world-class science museum.
Exactly, yeah. We offer summer camps and labs on the go, so we can really bring that engagement to those folks in those rural parts of Texas, which is great.
Which is really awesome, yeah. Okay, so Spring into STEAM is what you're calling it for this kind of 2-week setup, something slightly different offered each week, a little bit of overlap as well. Can you tell me about it?
Yeah, for sure. So it's going to be from March 8th through the 23rd, and we're going to offer, again, just kind of different hands-on activities than we normally have throughout the museum, which is great. Some of those include, we're going to do flipper bots, so students and kids and their families can kind of go 1 versus 1 and try and flip each other's robots.
Oh, I know kids are going to love that.
Amazing.
Go up against your dad, your
yeah,
mom,
big stuff.
Your bigger sister or brother. Oh,
yes.
That'll be fun.
We're also going to do pendulum painting, so we'll kind of suspend a cup in the air and let kind of gravity paint with the swinging of the cup, which is great. And then we'll also give families the opportunity to build their own harmonicas with just kind of various household supplies and really explore the science of sound. And then we also always have a monthly cardboard challenge, which is Imagination Unboxed. And this month's is to kind of build your own costumes from cardboard and explore like the design process, which is great.
Neat.
Yeah, and then we'll also have these Ozobots as well.
Okay, the Ozobots. Y'all, she was showing me off camera. These are so cool. Okay, so what you do basically is that you've got a set of instructions that you can get. Yeah, code, of course. That's the appropriate kind of STEAM way to say it. But look, it's just like black, green, blue, and red. And you told me you can just pick any old marker.
Just any old marker will work. And basically, you'll kind of take the robots, we'll get them turned on, and then we calibrate them, which is just them kind of getting used to their environment.
Okay.
And once they're calibrated, let's see. There we go. So it's turning on.
He's happy now.
He's happy now. He should, theoretically, let me do the other one too, just in case.
We were talking off camera about how on television experiments don't always go on
course.
as planned, but failure is part of it,
It's part
right?
of the process. It's kind of the best part. Get to figure out a solution. But yeah, let's see. It should. There we go. So it's going to follow the code and kind of read the different colors.
So the code is telling it, spin around right now.
It's true.
Oh my gosh, it's spinning so fast, actually.
And then I've written out for it to turn around as well. So it's going to turn around.
And then it's going to come back. More spinning?
More spinning. And it's reading the code in a different order this time. So it's going to spin just a little bit differently.
And
which
then it
is
comes
great.
to the end.
And it
Oh my
comes to the
goodness. Yeah, I
end.
have to see the second one.
Yeah, here's the second one.
So what's important when people are creating this quote unquote code?
Yeah, so basically the black is just kind of giving it this like go forward instruction. And then we've got the red, green, and blue markers, and there are just different series of colors that you can kind of write out.
Spin, zigzag,
Yes.
tornado,
Yes,
backwalk.
It'll just kind of follow whatever path that you create for it. So to make it spin around really fast, I did red, green, and then it just kind of read that and knew what to do.
Awesome. So if people are doing this at home, maybe they get a hold of an Ozobot because the kids are loving it. The important thing is just not to overlap colors.
Yeah, you don't want to overlap the colors because they'll kind of start to blend, which will kind of confuse the robot. So just real clear lines, and you really shouldn't have a problem.
That is amazing. So kids will have a lot of fun with this. Is there anything else that we need to know about the 2-week spring break?
Yeah, so you can buy tickets at sciencemill.org. We also have tickets at the door if that's what y'all prefer. And then we, again, always have tons of hands-on experiments, and throughout the month we usually try and engage with different themes and other types of activities like homeschool day. Next month's theme, I believe, is Earth Day, which is exciting. And
Of
then we've
course.
got Pollinator Palooza coming up, and you can learn more about that on our website.
Can't wait to have y'all back for Pollinator Palooza. It was snow day, now it's spring break. We're going through the seasons with Science
Yes.
Mill. We appreciate your time and your Ozobots
Yes.
this morning. Thank you, Maddie.
Thank you.
All right, guys, get Spring into STEAM tickets online right now and see other upcoming events at sciencemill.org.